Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. We are the developers of GeoTools software, and in this video I am going to tell you something about the GeoTools licensing policy. When you purchase GeoTools, you get the current version. For example, now the current version is V24. Every year in October, we release a new numbered version of GeoTools. Now, if you have purchased V24 and if we have released V25, then you will need to purchase an upgrade from V24 to V25. Now, there is another part of the licensing policy which I need to tell you about. If you don't upgrade your GeoTools from the version that you have purchased to the current version, we will be giving you license file replacement support for a period of 2 years from the date of purchase. Which means that if you have changed your computer or if your computer has been formatted or stolen or damaged and you request a new license, you are eligible to get a new license file from us for a period of 2 years from your date of purchase. Beyond that period, you will not be able to get the license file transfer support from us, and you will need to purchase an upgrade at that point. So it is always better and more financially wise if you purchase the upgrade every year so that you can be assured of license file replacement support at any point of time. So your GeoTools license can be transferred from one computer to another multiple number of times, and there is no limit on that. You will have to just send us a request for the transfer and send us the new app key of the computer, and we will replace your license within 1 working day. So this policy of license upgrades applies to the perpetual license and not to the rental license of GeoTools. This is because when somebody purchases a rental license, they get latest version of the software at any point of time throughout the subscription period. So I hope this clarifies and makes the GeoTools licensing policy clear to you. If you still have any questions, please feel free to get back to us at any time from the contacts that we have provided. Thank you very much for watching this video.